So in today's video, we're going to replace this is the size. We're going to remove the sprocket. It doesn't look so bad. So here, so as you can see here, there's a roller. It looks cis, but it's not really cis. Trying to remove the roller. This is a roller, and that's a roller too.
What? Yeah. This is where you.
That's where you get somebody. Don't cry for me, Argentina.
No.
Oh my God. Argentina trick. Oops. Did I get that?
Yeah.
That's
Well,
what.
when the bolts are out, it'll fall out.
Yeah, the thing is. Oh, this is heavy. Oh my God. It weighs like 5 or 10 kilos.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I pinched my hand. We remove one, and I just noticed that the bolt from here and the inside bolt, they need to be undone separately. So this bolt will come out there, and this bolt will come out here. So there's two bolts in one roller. I thought it's a whole bolt there, you know, like a long bolt, but it's not like that. And you can remove this without removing the rubber truck, you know. So you can change this later or whenever you are ready.
I'm a bit concerned about these. They can't get right in. They're not deep enough. You see? That's why I want you to jet them out proper.
I already jetted.
Yeah, because if you only have it in a little bit, it's just going to burr off and break, you know.
So we've marked what's loose, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the excavator starting. Just spinning it.
Okay.
Alright.
I hope I got the right one here. Now I want to turn to the rest so that the ones haven't done are at the top, right?
Yeah. Okay, that's it.
Good?
Yep. Alright.
Huh?
3 is not done.
No.
Okay. It means
You know what that is?
arrow. A mark.
It's a witness mark.
Witness mark.
So when I want to put it, if I want to put it back, actually I'm looking here. I'm sure this would work fine.
Yeah.
But I think I bought the other one, so this one's done, is it?
Yep, but you can do it again. Yeah, that's the tight one.
Oh shit.
Yeah. The non-edited one I put on new rod, and the edited
Okay.
version.
Now, what are you doing?
Oh,
It's my walking stick, for God's sake.
I thought you're giving it to me.
No, I'm trying to stand up. Dum-dum.
Just one crack and you are okay. So we cannot finish the job in one day because we don't have the skills. We need to do.
Well, we don't know what we're doing already. Once we know what we've got to do, it's obviously you'd piss it off in a day, but
Yeah.
it's a once in a lifetime job for us.
Yeah. This is a first timer job.
It'll be the last time. No, except for the second side.
Yes, we need to do the other side because it's pretty bad too. So yeah, so it means we need to watch another video to continue for those who's interested and who's not. Need to continue watching. Okay.
And that one's done, you reckon?
I think so. You
Well,
can do it again.
You wanna go
You want me to get the rattler?
the rattler
Okay.
and
And
a big hammer.
big hammer. Okay.
Is that one done?
I'm pretty sure it's done. See?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get the
Okay.
rattler.
Yeah, remember the guy in there? He had two screws. And he said, some are coarse, some are fine,
Oh,
and
yeah.
he was mixing them up.
So
Like we
this time we won't mix it up.
don't do that.
No, we don't. Sometimes. Only sometimes. Only Monday.
Monday night. Yeah, they're pretty bloody.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, this one at the bottom didn't do.
Did I do? Oh, what? Oh, there's still one more left.
I thought I fell around. I couldn't find it. But did I do them all?
Yeah.
Well, I would have if it was on the bottom.
So
Well,
you don't
ring-
need to, alright,
No, well, ring my bell.
ring your bell.
All right, what we'll do, I'll take it over to the bench.
Alright. So this is how it looks like. Yeah. So let's get into the bench and suss it out. Okay, this is the old one we just removed, and that's the new one there. The difference is the paint. Just the paint. You know.
I know we had a look at them on the machine.
Just make sure the bolts and nut will fit in here.
Yeah.
They align.
Yeah.
It looks
Yeah.
pretty well.
It's they're not that bad, but
Yeah.
I think the teeth are not as wide. Well, that's what happens. They go pointy, don't they?
Yeah.
So we'll do this.
Okay. So it means we need to have another video for this one. So now we're gonna put back the roller.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
I'm gonna lift that one high and I'll put the screw in.
Okay. So I reckon
Okay.
I can pick it up. You might have to guide it. Can you see the hole?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oops. Okay. The other end.
I can't see it. All good? All right. I'll have to run one.
That's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I think that's pretty bloody tight. Okay.
Okay. So that's it for now. Ding ding.